Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit the trending Polaroid photo style using Google Gemini. So if you want to jump on the Polaroid style AI photo trend, here is in this easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create and edit the trending AI Polaroid photos using only Google Gemini on your phone. So what you need to do first is, of course, go to the Gemini application. If you don't have the app yet, you can download it on the Play Store. So open it and make sure you have a Google account to be able to use it. Okay, so once you open the app, you can here just click on this button, create image, to use the nano banana feature. Now use this prompt. So this is the prompt that I use. So if you want to edit or combine two people to in the Polaroid photo, you can use this prompt. So edit the picture to look like it is taken with a Polaroid camera, and the photo should look like a regular photo without a clear subject or property, and the photo should have a little blur effect like it's Polaroid, and the consistent light source such as flash from a dark room, and change the background behind the two people with the white curtains and make the two of them hug each other in a photo. So this is optional. You can use or change the pose based on the pose that you want. You can, for example, the people make a V sign, or just holding hands, or just smiling at the camera. You can just change it based on your preference. And now you can upload the photos. So if you want to combine more than one person, you can just upload two photos of the people with a clear face or also clear background. So let's just click on this plus button, and then I'm going to just go to the gallery in here and choose the photos. So I'm going to use this two photos in here. Click on done. Okay, wait until the photo is uploaded, and you can just click on this button to start generating the photos. Okay, now so the result is out. As you guys can see, the result is pretty much accurate with the prompt that I give to the Google Gemini. You can just click on it, and here is the Polaroid photo. You can download the image and upload it to your social media. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.